Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and do your own personal practice very well before you go fully into it on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. Here are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to cross-check with the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on a 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trade indicator. If you should notice at the top right here, we have our resistance zone. It was unable to break out above. We tried it out several times, was unable to break out, but it broke out below the support zone and it went straight into a sell trend, giving us a sell signal right from here with a trend signal, a downtrend signal. But when it got to the support zone, was unable to go further. So we have a buy trend signal, and of course we also had our buy signal around here, and of course this is buying at the moment. Okay, so we expect it to give us more of a buying opportunity since this is just starting. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend, even though there are some pullbacks in between, and of course got to this resistance, it wasn't able to go above it, so it started selling, but we needed to break out below this support zone, and of course it is still selling more. Okay, so this is giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and of course just where we have seen it right from here, it started crashing down, got to this region, and of course trying to pull up again. So this is buying at the moment, but I'll be watchful of the resistance zone that is here. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy, and if it does not, it's going to sell. Okay, so this is a buy signal going on at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. So this is crash 500, and of course guys, this had been on downtrend for long, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it is still selling, and it is at the support base. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it's going to buy. But for now, this is still selling at the moment. Might not be for long. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it's going to buy next. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the final one, is volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on downtrend right from here. We can see it pushing down and down, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared there, and of course make sure you practice very well before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that we can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.